Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Fashom unboxing today. It's been so long since I've had a Fashom. I did have one before this box, but the post office damaged it. So I wasn't able to film it. It had been damaged by like rain or something and there was mold everywhere. It was really, really bad. So, Fashom! We have a Fashom. Fashom, they send you 5 items. You keep what you want, I send back what you don't. We're gonna open it up with our trusty rusty screwdriver. And yeah, here we go. There's gonna be more about Fashom down below, as well as a referral link. I believe the referral gives you $10 off, or $10 towards your first box, if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember, I'm sure it'll tell me in here. But it'll be in the description below. Here we go. How are you guys? You doing good? Having a good summer? Having a great summer. Going to the pool again today. Alright, we'll put the box aside with the other boxes. They send you your mailer so that you can send back what you don't want to keep. Just put it right in your mailbox or go to the post office, whatever. Hello, beautiful. Hey. Alright, let's see. I'm going to put that in the box. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see. So they did change their discounts. So before, when you kept 3 or 4 items, you would get 25% off or 20% off. And now it's only 15% off. But when you keep all 5, you get 30% off. So, and for every box you get, they donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue NYC Dogs, which is really cool. All right. Let's read our note. Hi Rachel, and thank you for starting with Fashom again. I'm so sorry to hear about what happened with your previous box in transit, but I sincerely hope you love what you find in this one. For that upcoming warm weather, I have included a mixture of great spring and summer styles. The floral jumpsuit is a great, no, there's no floral. I'm looking at, no, there's no floral jumpsuit. It's a great one-piece wonder that can be dressed up for work with a blazer and pumps or down for a casual day with tennis shoes and jacket. I don't think I picked a jumpsuit. They send you like 7 pieces in a preview and you pick what you want. So I think she just maybe forgot to take that out. A few of these pieces are a bit transitional, but one of my favorite styles could be the Skies Are Blue pineapple multi-printed midi skirt because it can be worn so easily with a basic neutral tee or tank and a pair of sandals for a comfortable yet pulled together look. Can't wait to hear what you think. Kristen XO. And it has all the prices on there. So yeah, let's do it. Here's our bundle. She's a little floppy, but who isn't? Alright, so the first thing we have is by Democracy, and I'll go over the names and prices at the end. And it is this green camo tank with a tie in the front, which I thought was adorable. Camo is my husband's favorite color. It does have this seam down the center. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. I don't know why they have to put the seam in the center. Why can't that be in the back of the shirt? But I'm not a designer. I don't know these things. Okay, and next we have, also by Democracy, this cute little shirt with a little fluttery sleeve. And, dun, 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 there's little flamingos. See that flamingo? How summery. How summery and cute. And it has a V-neck. I like that. I think that's adorable. And yeah, there's no jumpsuit in my box, so interesting. We have this kind of like cardigan-y, lightweight kimono thing, and it has a tie in the front, long sleeve, so you can wear just like a nice little cami, and then put this over it, and it's still really lightweight, because look how see-through it is. Woo! That's cute. I think that is, you know, with my last Wantable box too, I think it is a little more of a warm tone fall kind of color, but, and we have this tank with a little ruffle. It's adorable. V-neck. I can't kind of tell what print it is. It's just kind of like an abstract print, I would say. But it's like a cream with that mauve kind of color. There's no stretch to it though, so we'll see. And lastly, we have the pineapple skirt, which I thought was adorable in the preview. Look how cute that is. Stretchy waist. Adorable. Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. It is lined, which is nice too. You know, just for a little whimsical look. All right, let's try stuff on. So the first top does not fit right at all. It's like I can't figure it out. I do like the neckline, but then when I go to like tug it down here, it makes, I mean look, it's just not cut right for a big busted gal, which I need stretch, as you all know, and my boxes should all know by now. So yeah, otherwise it's a cute pattern. You know, it's a nice light color for summer. I like that about it. I'm trying to be nice. You can always find something nice to say. But yeah, it's a no. It's a no for me. The theme of this box is gonna be weird armholes. Cause look at this one too. What size is this? It doesn't say. I'll have to look at the tag. Haha, I'm back. Okay. Otherwise, it's really cute. It's nice and stretchy. It has a tie in the bottom. I like the V. I don't mind the seam down the center, but it's just not right. And if I try to like pull it back, then that looks weird. And then there's all these weird, it's weird. I don't understand. Okay, let's flamingo it up. Let's do the flamingo shirt. Otherwise, this would have been so cute. Okay, flamingo. So I checked the size of that tank top. It's a 1X. And I recently sized down to a large with Fashom because they kept sending me like things that were too big, and their like sizes tend to run large. Like this is a 1X as well. So I don't get it, but I think this is adorable. I know it's like shining super bright, like when we try to get into a place. I like the flamingos, I like the V-neck, I think it's whimsical. I like the flowy sleeves. This is a keeper. Faux show. You can tuck it in. I think that's adorable. Super cute. I like it. I like it. I love it. Yeah, I like that one. I like the color. It's like that kind of, you know, melon color. Not watermelon, but you know, like not a cantaloupe, because cantaloupes are green, but like that other melon, you know. Anyway, I like this one. This one's a keeper. And let's do the kimono and the skirt. They're not gonna go together. I'll have to find a top for them. So let's do those next. I actually really like this one. I like the sleeves. It's like a balloon sleeve. You know how I like those in the winter. It's see-through, which is nice. I think I could wear it to work with like just a tank top under it and still feel like professionally, you know? I think it looks cute with the shorts from Stitch Fix. Got these from Stitch Fix. I think that's cute. What do you guys think? I kind of like it. It kind of has like that Swiss dot on it too. See a little dot, dot. I kind of like it. Is it more kind of fall? I think so. But, you know, I don't think I would wear it this summer. I would for sure wear the flamingo shirt. But this is really cute. Okay, lastly we will try on the pineapple skirt. I like these sleeves. Here's the pineapple skirt. It's adorable. However, realistically, I don't think I would wear it because I think the only thing you could really wear with it would be white on top. And I am a messy person. And I'm not gonna wear white all the time. But it is adorable. You could even like, you know, let me untuck this one. You could like tie a knot and wear it like that with it. Real time, okay. Like that's adorable. You know, I just don't think I would get a lot of wear out of it. I have been wearing a lot of skirts to work, but it does swing really nicely. So if you guys like it, I think you should request it. It does feel really nice. It has the stretchy band up top. I do like it like with the knot. I think that's better than tucking it in. It's a nice length. It's that midi. But I just, realistically, I don't think I would wear it that often. because of the lack of different colors I think you could wear on top with it. But, okay, let's go over prices and we'll see how much that flamingo shirt is. And yeah, let's do that. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already if you like these kind of unboxings. Okay, prices. My nose is itchy. So the Renee C. Faye Animal Print Blouse, the one that didn't fit, $48. The Les Amis, I'm itchy, okay. Wendy Floral Kimono, $42. The Skies Are Blue Pineapple Multi-Printed Midi Skirt, $52. The Democracy Shannon Camo Tank, $48. It's Democracy. And then Democracy Nevea Flamingo Top, also $48. A little pricey, you know, for a t-shirt. But I already have $20 invested in this box because that is the styling fee and that goes towards what you keep. So instead of, you know, losing out on my $20, I'm going to get this t-shirt and just contribute another $28 towards it. So if I kept everything, it'd be $238. Not if I kept everything. The subtotal is $238. If I kept everything, it would take 30% off, making the whole box $166.60. And yeah, that is it. So I do feel like Fashom, if you watch this, I do feel like your prices are going up. When I first started this box about a year ago, things were much less, I feel like. But, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So, anywho, that was Fashom, and I think I'm gonna keep the flamingo top. So, yeah, you guys, I hope you have a great day, or night, or morning, or, you know, middle of the night. I don't know when you watch these. And I'll see you next time.